Welcome back to our HaasOnline tutorial series. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools available to standard, professional, and enterprise users, Backtest Labs. If you've ever wondered what the absolute best settings are for your custom Haas script, Backtest Labs is your answer. It automates the testing of hundreds or even thousands of parameter combinations to find the most profitable configuration. The entire process boils down to 5 simple steps. First, we create the lab test and pick our script. Second, we configure our global environment and choose our search algorithm. Third, we select the specific parameters we want to sweep. Fourth, we run the sweep in the background. And finally, we analyze the results, automatically sorted by ROI, to instantly deploy a winning live bot. Let's walk through how to set one up from scratch. To get started, navigate to the Backtest Lab from the side menu and just click that prominent plus icon located right at the bottom of the screen. Give your lab test a descriptive name, something that helps you remember exactly what you're optimizing, and click Next. Next, you'll be prompted to select the script you want to test. Just choose your script from the list, and this will bring us to the main lab setup page. Alright, so the setup page is divided into 2 sections. Let's look at the left side first. Here is where you define your environment. You'll want to select your exchange account, the market you want to test on, and, if applicable, your margin mode and your leverage. Above that is the algorithm selection. This is the engine of your lab test. And you have 2 choices here, brute force and intelligent. Brute force is exhaustive. It tests absolutely every possible combination you give it. It guarantees finding the optimal solution, but it can be slow, and it is strictly limited to 1,000 total tests. Intelligent, on the other hand, uses a genetic algorithm. It creates a population of tests, finds the top performers, and then breeds them over several generations. It's perfect for massive parameter spaces. By default, it runs 10 populations over 10 generations, equaling 100 tests. Remember, no matter which algorithm you choose, HaasOnline has a hard cap of 1,000 tests per lab run. Now, shift your focus to the right section under the Parameters tab. This is where you tell the lab exactly what to sweep. Check the boxes next to the variables you want to test and click Configure Parameter to set your value ranges or specific values to test. Click Create to commit the values. Once your parameters are locked in, hit Start. The Start Lab Run menu will pop up where you can select the lab test period just like you would in a normal backtest. Clicking Start from this menu will trigger the lab sweep. You can actually continue using HaasBot while the lab runs quietly in the background. Keep in mind, depending on the number of parameters and ranges you've selected, this could take a while. Just glance Lab Progress Indicator to see the total number of backtests in the queue, which is a great way to gauge how long the run could take. When it's finished, switch over to the Results tab. Here, you can see every single iteration the lab ran. The results are sorted on the ROI column. And just like that, your optimal settings are revealed. From here, you have a whole array of tools. You can view the specific chart, read the execution logs, download the data to Excel, or instantly create a new bot using these exact winning parameters just by clicking the bot icon. Before we wrap up, a quick reality check. Backtesting assumes perfect market execution and 0 slippage. While it is an incredible tool for finding robust parameters, historical performance does not guarantee future results. Also, keep in mind that cloud users are limited to 1-month backtest ranges, while enterprise users can test up to 12 months at a time. Take these optimized settings, paper trade them first, and verify their performance in live markets.
Until next time. Thanks for watching, and if you need any further assistance or want to explore more features, be sure to check out our documentation at help.haasonline.com or join the community on Discord at haas.bot/discord. Happy trading!